morning, children. Sai Ram. Children, you all know very well that your FA2, that is Formative Assessment 2, will be starting very soon. So, you need to be well prepared with all the topics. Am I right, children? Okay. So, today's topic is an umbrella. We are going to revise this topic, an umbrella. Which is the topic today? An umbrella. If you all remember, I have already taken this topic in your composition period in the very beginning itself. Right? We had given you 5 points. Hope you all are thorough with all the 5 points. Am I right? Yes or no, children? Tell me fast. Yes? Okay. Now, teacher is going to revise those 5 points again so that it will be fresh in your mind. So, let us see each and every point one by one. Again, I will repeat what is today's topic? An umbrella. An umbrella. Now, the first point, this is an umbrella. Can you see this umbrella over here in the picture? Yes? Okay, look at the screen, all of you. Be attentive and look at the screen. This is an umbrella. Can see colorful umbrella over here, right? Have you all purchased umbrella for the rainy season? The rains have already started. If you have not purchased one, please purchase. Okay? Tell your mama to get one umbrella for you, like this colorful one. Right? Okay. So what is the first point? This is an umbrella. Do you all know the spelling of umbrella? umbrella. See, one thing I want to tell you, children. You need to learn the spellings by heart. Unless and until you know the spellings, you will not be able to identify the word. This already I had told you in the beginning itself, and I had asked you to write the spellings 5 times. Did you all do that? Yes? Hope you all would have done. I know you all are very sincere children. Right? Now, let us go to the second point. It is used in rainy season. You all know very well, umbrellas are used in the rainy season. You can see here, see the rainbow and the raindrops, right? You can see rainbow only in the rainy season. Am I right? How many colors does a rainbow have? 7 colors. Do you all remember the colors? Shall I tell you, children? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. And what is the short form? How you will remember these 7 colors? Vibgyor. What it is? Vibgyor. Right? Okay. Now let us go to the third point. It is also used in summer season. You all know very well, even we can carry an umbrella when you go out in the hot sun. When you go out in the hot sun during the summer season, what happens? The heat, the sun rays, the scorching heat of the sun directly falls on your head. But if you carry an umbrella with you, what happens? Umbrella protects your head from the sun. So, it is also used in summer season. Can you see the picture of Sania? Yes? What color is it? Yellow, right. Let us go to the fourth point. It protects us from the rain and sun. We have seen already the second and third point, that is, it protects us from the rain and sun, means you can use umbrella during the rainy season as well as when you go out in the sun, you can carry umbrella, right? So, it protects us from the rain and sun. Multi-purpose, correct? Okay. Then umbrellas are of different colors and sizes. You all know you get different colorful umbrellas or plain umbrellas also. You can see in this picture colorful umbrella and plain. See, the colorful umbrella is slightly smaller than the red one, right? So you get big size, small size umbrella and even mini size for small kids who all go to nursery and play school, no? Even for them also you get small umbrellas, cute umbrellas, right? So these are the 5 points you need to remember. So again I am telling you children, please learn the spellings by heart. Now let us see how this topic will appear in the FA2 paper. See, you will not be asked to write the composition full. Blanks will be given and you will have to choose the correct option. I will explain to you one by one. So be attentive, okay, and listen carefully. Choose the correct option. Choose the correct option. Option means, just see now, I'll show you. See, for one sentence, you have been given 3 options, that is A, B and C. So from these 3 options, only one option will be applicable to the sentence. It should correlate with the sentence. The option which you are choosing should correlate with the sentence, right? So you have to use the correct option. For that, you need to learn the spelling. Then only you will be able to pick up the correct option, right? Now the first sentence is, this is the picture of an. See, you can identify the picture. But what about the spelling? Do you know the spelling of umbrella? I know you all would have learned it, right? So where is the spelling? Where is the word umbrella here? That is the first option. That is A, right? Umbrella, right? Okay. So this is the picture of an umbrella. Is this a picture of a bat? No. Ball? No. So you have to choose the first option, that is umbrella. Are you clear, children? Yes? Now let us go to the second one. It is used in which season? Dash season. You'll have to choose from the option. That is, the first one is rainy season, autumn season and spring season. You all know the spelling of rainy, right? So which is the correct option here? Rainy. It can be used only in the rainy season. So you will choose the first option, that is rainy. Yes or no? Yes. It is neither autumn nor spring. So the first option is rainy season. Now let us go to the third. It protects us from the wind. First option is wind. Second is sun. And the third is snow. Will you be able to tell me which is the correct option, children? Wind. Will you be able to carry the umbrella when winds are blowing? No. What happens? The umbrella will become upside down, right? It will break. And can you carry the umbrella in sun? Yes, very much. So the second option is sun. We'll have to choose the second option, that is sun. You cannot take an umbrella in the snow, right? Okay. Now let us go to the fourth point. Umbrellas are of dash colors. You all know this. Umbrellas are of, is it same color? No. So it should be different colors. So the first option is different. What is the first option? Different. Right? Are you able to get me, children? Yes. Now let us go to the next point, fifth one. Umbrellas can be used by, what is the first word? You all know this spelling because you have learned this in myself. if I am not mistaken. Right? That is girls, boys, and the last one is all. So tell me, umbrellas can be used only by girls or only by boys or by both? Tell me fast. By both, by everybody can use umbrella. It's not that only girls can take or boys can take. Everybody from grown-ups to small children, they can use umbrella. So we will choose the last option, all. Last option, all. So these are the 5 points you need to remember. You should know this. Okay? Fine, children. And in the exam, that is informative assessment 2, you only have to click on the correct option. You are not supposed to write anything with pencil. Please remember this. Teacher put a tick only to show you so that you can understand which option to choose. Whereas in the exam, you have to go and click the correct option. Choose the correct option and click on that. Understood? So you will not use any pencil. This point you have to remember. Hope children you are clear with the concept. So go through these slides, go through this revision again and again and be thorough with this. Right? So that it will be very easy for you to appear in the exam. Right? So children, take care. Bye. Be safe at home.